My name is Sebastian Cott, and with my wife Annette and my son Jagger, in 2014 we moved to Colorado and we became medical refugees to access cannabis oil for Jagger. After the law failed to pass in Georgia, we had no options but to move to Colorado. Jagger has a very rare mitochondrial disease with a life expectancy of 5 years or less, and it caused a lot of breathing issue, horrible muscle pain, seizures, GI problem, and many more things. So we moved to Colorado in 2014. We accessed cannabis oil, and that has made a huge difference in Jagger's life. Jagger started smiling again for the first time in years. Jagger started having eye traction and following us around the room with his eyes, which he hasn't done in years also. And we were able to wean him off morphine and oxycodone. And there is no doubt in my mind today that Jagger is still alive because of medical cannabis.
My name is Tom Angel. I'm with Marijuana Majority, the organization that started this Change.org petition 2 weeks ago today. And in that time, we've garnered more than 100,000 signatures from people who think that it's completely inappropriate that acting DEA Administrator Chuck Rosenberg called medical marijuana a joke.
This is not a joke. I mean, we're talking about our children's life, and our children's lives are not a joke. And so I was definitely outraged when he said that, because he obviously has no idea what he was talking about, and he's never been in our shoes. And if he was just to spend even 20 minutes in our shoes and see what we have to do just to keep him alive, and see how medical marijuana made a huge difference in helping us keeping him alive, then he would have never said that.
After attempting to overdose with pills and alcohol, I decided to utilize cannabis to regain my voice, which is no laughing matter.
My son was missing his childhood. Our most gut-wrenching event was when Jackson was having multiple tonic-clonic seizures in the hospital. He asked us to put his favorite stuffed animal back in his bag to keep him safe, and he asked his father if he was going to die.
Law does not determine whether or not marijuana is medicine. The impact it has on a patient's well-being is what determines it being medicine.
Well, I think we succeeded in putting the DEA in a very uncomfortable place. I don't think they were particularly happy that they had to come outside and receive our more than 100,000 petition signatures delivered by patients who rely on medical marijuana and family members who have seen the benefits of medical marijuana. But they had to do that because we have such a huge chorus of voices that are calling for change. A bipartisan group of members of Congress are joining us in calling for this change, and we've gotten the attention of the media.